Hello students, in this lecture I am going to discuss about the carbon dioxide analyzer. This carbon dioxide analyzer, it is an analytical instrument which measures the concentration of CO2 gas in the sample, and it uses a non-dispersive infrared sensor technology, that is NDIR, non-dispersive infrared sensor technology. So this non-dispersive infrared detection method, it is based upon absorption of infrared radiation at specific wavelength as it passes through a volume of a sample. So this is the simple, you can say this is in this simple NDIR instrument. This is an NDIR instrument. What happens here? Here the infrared energy passes through two identical tubes. You can see here there are two identical tubes. Okay, here this is the infrared source and the infrared energy passes through two identical tubes. Okay, it passes through two identical tubes and falls on the detector. Here you can see there is a detector here. So the first tube, this is the first tube, which is the reference. This one is the reference cell and is filled with a non-absorbing gas such as nitrogen. That is, nitrogen does not absorb infrared radiation. So the reference cell, this is the first cell. This reference cell is filled with nitrogen. It does not absorb any infrared radiation. And the second tube is the measurement cell. This is the second tube, which is the measurement cell, and it contains the gas sample containing carbon dioxide to be analyzed. So what happens here? This infrared source continuously sends IR waves to this gas tube and the reference cell, and it reaches the detector. The detector measures the intensity of two different signals, one from this tube, that is from the sample gas tube, and other from the reference cell tube. So as the reference gas contains nitrogen, so it does not absorb any infrared radiation. So whatever source is coming here, this detector absorbs 100% signal. Now the second tube, it is consisting of the sample or gas which is containing CO2 gas. So it is present in this tube, which means the received signal, that is the infrared signal that is passing through this tube and received by the detector, the received signal will be attenuated at the detector side, and the detector measures these two signals, like from the reference cell signal and the this tube signal, sample tube signal. It measures these two signals and find their difference, and this difference is proportional to the amount of absorbing gas in the sample. So what is the absorbing gas in the sample? It is the CO2 gas. So it finds this difference between these two signals is proportional to the amount of CO2 in the sample cell. So finally the CO2 gas concentration is measured with the difference in absorption of IR radiation in the sample and reference cells. So this was about carbon dioxide analyzer. Thank you. I am ending this class here. Moreover, there are various other methods also that I have given in the PDF. I have discussed just the important ones. Go through the PDF. There is nothing there that you won't be able to understand. Everything is written in very simple words. So go through that. For any doubt, do contact me. Do tell me. Then I'll surely explain you that process also. Thank you.